Okay, hi. So now this is the third video follow-up with the gun portions. Okay, usually I would for some purpose I would just spread the wings up. Okay, it will make the figure much more larger. Okay, yeah. So for the gun part, I would actually take off the knife. Okay, just switch it off. Take off the knife and switch it off, because you don't want it to over post. Okay, you might need to switch off the switch times. Okay, so so for the gun part, it's actually much more easier. Okay, battery wise, it's actually hidden inside this box. So what you do is you need to unscrew, but try to actually, if you need to remove the battery or change the battery when it's flat, try to actually remove it slowly, because of some connection wire. I do not want you to actually disconnect or break any of the connections. So if and you need to actually re-solder it back if you break any of the wire. Okay, just be careful when you unscrew these 3 screws and do some removal of battery. You need to be very careful. Okay, for the switches, is actually in here. It's placed at the bottom and just have to switch on. Okay, I never actually insert the LEDs into glue it, because I feel that if you have any problem, you still can do some adjustments. So the best part is just to stick it permanently there. Okay, so as much as I can see, you can actually play with it, the insertion. Okay, it's the same. You just on it. Yeah, LED is on. Same here, you just unscrew this to remove the so-called the LEDs. And for the guns, actually it's quite, you see, that's the because of the weight. It's actually very heavy for the so-called the legs. Okay, for the guns hand, what I do is that the advisable way to actually hold the so-called the gun is actually to remove the hands off the so-called the hands, the arms. So what I do is that I will insert it down straight away, so you won't put pressure onto the figure, and you can slowly insert the hands onto the so-called the guns, and you just click it on, and then the ball joint is here, and then what you do is you just slowly insert it back, and here it goes. It's simple, and it can hold the so-called the gun properly. You don't have to actually meddle with the figures. Yeah. Same goes to the right arms. Okay, right arms. Okay, at times you might encounter some problems with the LEDs. Let me see. Let me see with the eyes.